aside from the allergy na na-mention niyo po, no? Is there other life-threatening adverse effects reported yet? And as you've mentioned sa iyong lecture, may mga volunteer na rin po ba tayo?
Well, doon sa life-threatening, sabi ko nga, I'm not saying na walang life-threatening, but based on the available data we have, at doon sa mga published data na nirelease ng mga leading vaccine developers, wala pong life-threatening side effect. The most po itong mga allergies nga, no, na report nila, pati po yung fatigue, muscle weakness, muscle pain, pain in the injection site, fever, yan po ang mga common na nakikita, pero wala pong life-threatening side effect so far. In answer to your question, kung may participants na,
Yes.
well, wala pa hong clinical trial na nagsisimula sa Philippines.
Okay.
So all of the trial applications are still being evaluated. But we hope, kasi may dalawa na pong company na approve na po ng Vaccine Expert Panel and our Ethics Review Board, and has now been formally submitted to the FDA, who will render the final approval if they're going to conduct clinical trials in the country. So dalawa po yan. It's actually Sinovac and Clover Biopharmaceuticals. Sila po yung nasa FDA na po and is already being reviewed. The others are still being reviewed by the Vaccine Expert Panel.